Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute, the daily news and commentary show where if you give us a few minutes, we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. Microsoft's certainly doing its part to uphold that greatest growth market title, and I want to share with you 4 killer numbers from their fiscal first quarter, which ended September 30th, and Microsoft reported those numbers yesterday. You probably heard that they came in with $20.7 billion in commercial cloud revenue for their first quarter of their fiscal year. That's up 36%. I got to pat myself on the back at least a little bit. My projection was 20.5 billion, but also a growth rate of 36%. Now, I know this isn't the ideal medium for showing a lot of numbers, and I'm not going to read all of these, but I think there's 4 categories of the cloud where Microsoft is showing incredible depth and strength, and they're also showing a consistency, but even beyond consistency, they are growing each of these 4 businesses over time, or the businesses are holding steady, even as the base revenue number for those businesses gets to be enormous. So this very difficult trick of getting to be very, very big, but also the growth rate increasing as you get bigger. The commercial cloud business, 5 quarters ago, it was growing at 31%. This last quarter, 36%. If you look at Azure, again, some very, very stiff competition for infrastructure and platform. 5 quarters ago it was at 48%. Now it's at 50%. Dynamics 365, which I think could be sort of the stalking horse in the whole Microsoft cloud arsenal here, this enterprise applications, I think it's a fantastic business. 5 quarters ago it was at 38%. Grown steadily now at 48%. Again, as they get so much bigger, it's growing faster. And then also Office 365, which gets Microsoft the ability to help customers extend all the way out to the desktop or to PCs. 5 quarters ago is 21%, now 23%. Last thing I want to point out here, this last number, is the percent of Microsoft's overall revenue that comes from cloud revenue. It's now 46%. So Microsoft's total revenue for the quarter was 45 billion or so, and almost 21 billion now in commercial cloud revenue, which shows that nearly half of Microsoft's revenue comes from the cloud this year. Calendar year, they'll probably finish somewhere in the range of 150 to 160 billion dollars, and I do think they've got a good chance of reaching $80 billion in commercial cloud revenue for this calendar year, not their fiscal year, which ends in June. So it just shows there's an enormous opportunity here, enormous growth. I hope that Amazon, Google Cloud, Oracle, who are all competing with Microsoft in different ways across the different layers of the cloud, will not try to battle them and be better versions of Microsoft, but instead continue to be very different, push into new areas, create new value for customers in all these big new greenfield areas that are just remarkable today. Thanks for being with us at Cloud Wars Minute. I hope you have a fantastic day.